YouTube, what's good, what's poppin'? We are starting Vlogtober. I look like a crackhead. I do not like this at all. But I'm filming this off the new iPhone 13 and this bitch is noise. Okay, like it's nice. It's nice. This is his new phone and this shit is nice. But yeah, so I'm really just testing out the video of this new phone. This is really like in depth. I look so bad. But yeah, you guys, welcome to Vlogtober, where we vlog every day for the month of October. Period. Yeah, so I am heading to the post office again to send off another letter and the hair store to get some stuff for my hair. And yeah, I guess I will see y'all later. Boom. Okay, so what is good, vlog? It is a little bit later, so I'm at the post office and girl, it's just way too packed. I'm just trying to send off a letter and they just got too much going on in there, so I left and I said I will come back tomorrow. I did forget that it is Monday. So we are gonna go to the hair store. I'm just gonna pick up like some, yeah, I need some gel, I need some edge control, might buy a wig, who knows, I don't know, but that's where I'm heading. So yes, I am gonna cook tonight, guys. Salmon and shrimp. Some salmon and shrimp. Real luxury, real black girl luxury. I'm so excited. Just joking. But no, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna have a little montage with that. And yes, that's gonna conclude day one of vlogs. Day one of vlogs. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And like, shout out to all my new subscribers, y'all. I am like so grateful. Okay, I've been seeing the growth. I don't know what happened to my last vlog. It kind of just took off a little bit, and I've just been constantly getting subscribers, so I am just really grateful for all you guys. I really am. So yes, road to 1K, road to 1K. But yes, you guys, I guess I'll see you guys when I get to the hair store.
My baby, can I hear the temperature the eyes? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to jump your body. I want it to carry shit. Upon a make I see. You're my love, all sexy. If you make a bad man sing. I spend for your hand. So good at once, I don't care what they say, cause you matter. Now you my one they carry from my head every night. Now you are one they carry to my bed. No, don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never ride solo. All we can do, I'm lucky, no need to party. I feel like what you're doing, oh yeah, baby, carry go. Yeah, but it never carry shit. Upon a make I see. Now you in it cause of fancy. They do me, I keep talking.
What's good, vlog? So we are now at Mickey D's.
What is Mickey D's?
We're at McDonald's. I am still adamant about cooking, but I am starving, so I had to settle for something in the meantime or whatever. I picked up some stuff from the hair store. I picked up a ponytail. I'm ready to take these braids out and like do a ponytail. So yeah, I bought a ponytail, I bought some masks, I bought just like some edge control and like gel and stuff. That was pretty much it. I get to show you my stuff when I get home. And I guess I will, yeah, cook for you guys. I'm so excited to cook for you guys. I'm just excited to bring the content. I hope you guys enjoy these mini vlogs because I really don't know what else to do. I mean, I'm definitely gonna put other videos like in a mix of Vlogtober, but like for the most part, it's just daily vlogs, y'all. Like daily vlogs. So yes, you guys, I guess I will see you guys when I get to the house. I'm like 2 seconds from the house, so I still gotta stop at a gas station.
Stop.
Yeah, it is a little bit later in the day. Yeah, so remember when I said earlier I was going to cook and do all that? Girl, bye. Girl, bye. That shit did, okay? He started seasoning the salmon. I said, I'm tired. I'm ready to go to sleep. So he fried 4 little pieces of salmon. And yes, girl, that McDonald's did just enough. So yes, I'm very tired. Like, a fun fact about me, I go to sleep pretty early. Like 9:30, 9:45. It's a wrap, okay? Unless like unless there's just some other situation that I'm in, by 9:30, 10 o'clock, a bitch is KO'd, okay? So I want to say it's like 8:15 right now. I don't know what time it is. The band's in the bath. But I did want to show you guys what I got from the hair store because I need to start doing that more. So that's what I'm pretty much here doing. I did get this ponytail. Bam. I did get this ponytail from the hair store. We all love a good drawstring, but the color was nice. And I was like, well, I like the color, so that's why I bought it. It is from Free Trust Equal. It's a drawstring ponytail. I paid $14.99 for this. And it's in the color OT27. Should I review ponytails? Do people really do that? No. So I got a pack of masks. They have black masks. I normally try to gravitate towards black masks. They were $3.99 for a pack of 5. So then I bought this Got To Be gel. I have honestly never used this, but when I get my wigs installed, they always have this, so I'm gonna try it. It was $2.39 for this small bottle. Once again, I never used it. And yeah, so I got me one of these. Then I got me one of these. Now, obviously, this does not hold my hair down, but I like to mix this with my edge control, and I always go for the black gel because my hair's black. So this is kind of the vibe. This was $1.69, and it's just a black gel. And then the last thing I got here was some edge control. Best edge control on the market. Bitch, judge your mammy, okay? I don't know if you like this. I don't know if this is like, I don't know, but this is the best edge control, period. Works for me, works for my daughter. This and this black gel, like this, it don't flee. That's for me. Like, this is how I mold my hair down. I'm gonna try it with the Got To Be, but these two together is like holy grail for me. So yeah, you guys, that's all I got at the hair store. Yeah, y'all see me at McDonald's, and then I came home, took a shower. I'm just not getting out the shower. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much the vibe. Day 1 of Vlogtober is over. Well, I don't know what day of Vlogtober this is going to be filmed, but this is definitely going to be one of the days of Vlogtober. So it is what it is. That is pretty much it, you guys. I am most likely going to see you guys tomorrow. We're just going to keep the train rolling, okay? Like I said, we're going to do our daily vlogs Monday through Friday. I really don't do shit. But I'm gonna make something happen. I'm gonna make some shake. Okay, we're gonna make some shake. But all right, y'all, good night. And until next time, boom. See you later.